Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi barakatuh. Welcome back to another episode of Baba's Kitchen. I'm Hussein Baba. Now today is a very special edition. Why? I am cooking for 150 homeless people. Right? As you know, on a weekly basis we contribute. And I've decided to cook my all-time favorite, chicken in coconut sauce. Why is people love it? But at this time, I need to reduce some of the ingredients because I don't want to make it too spicy. When I say not hot spicy, spicy, right? So I keep limit the ingredient, make it simple, and then see what I got. Cameraman, come closer. I got the sliced onion. It took me a while to. You see what happened is in the video, you don't see me slicing the onions and ingredients, but it takes time. But because I don't have enough time to show you in the video, so I have to delete all those skin. So we got the sliced onions, then we got the sliced tomatoes, then we have the coconut. The main ingredient is the chicken. So what I decided is to have about 14 to 15 kilos of chicken. Now I had half of it chicken thigh and half of it chicken breast. And listen to this, they're all boneless. They're boneless. So cameraman, can you come closer? Now this is the chicken breast and this is the chicken thigh. They've been tied in small pieces. And of course the spices will be yellow powder. Now yellow powder, of course, turmeric powder. So these are the ingredients that I'll be using. Of course I will be using salt as well according to taste. Okay, now what do? Let's start cooking. Now I'm going to start cooking. So I got a pot here, a big pot. I'm warming it up now. First thing to go is oil. All right, let me get the oil. So now I'm going to pour the oil. Okay, here we go. Now come, cameraman, come closer. Have a look. Yeah, okay, that's fine. The next ingredient is the onion, sliced onion. All right, now I put the onion. Gonna stir a bit. Okay, let it stir. Now we'll cook the onion. Let the onion get cooked. All right, in the oil. Now it has been cooking for about 5 minutes. Now I'm going to sprinkle some yellow powder. All right, going to sprinkle some yellow powder. Right, and then stir it. Right. Mashallah, look at the color changing. Look, and it's a strong aroma. Now we add the tomato. So again the same thing, sprinkle around. Okay, all right. All right, that's it. Okay. Now let it cook for another 5 minutes on its own. Okay, I'm going to cover it and leave it to cook. Okay, I'm going to cover it. Okay, that's it. Now it's already 5 minutes, so I'm going to stir it again. Come, cameraman, come closer, have a look. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay. All right. Now slowly I'll add the chicken. Right. Here we go. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Cameraman, come closer. Have a look. Look at that. Look. Just spread it out. I will not mix it yet. I'll just spread it out. Okay. Here we go. And now go to chicken thigh. Boneless chicken thigh. Look. All right. Okay. That's done. Okay. I'll just keep it like this here on the top. I don't put any. Leave it as it is. Okay. So my idea is let the onion cook at the bottom and then you got the top, all the chicken. It will be cooking through its heat. Okay. And what I'll do is I'll sprinkle some more turmeric powder. Okay. That's it. All right. And then I'll leave it for another 5 minutes. And then I'll saute or mix it. All right. And gradually I start adding the coconut milk. It has been 15 minutes now. I'm going to check. Cameraman, come closer. Let me open this lid. Let's have a look. All right. It's cooking slowly. Very good. Very good. It's already almost cooked now. Now I have to add the coconut milk one by one. Okay. So this one, first stir it. And here I go. The first one goes here. Come here. Okay. All around. That's how we do it. And then Put one more. And then stir a bit again. Stir a bit. Here we go to stir a bit. Okay. And then we add the remaining ones. Done. And then we start stirring now. We stir from come to the end, from the side to the front. There you go. Here we go. Here we go. We stir it thoroughly. We want the coconut milk to touch every part of the meat, the chicken meat. Okay, that's how you get the taste. So look, I will afterward I'll add the salt. It's according to your taste. How much salt? So, okay, here we go. Smells good. Smells good. Okay, I will leave for another 10 minutes. Well, it's all done now. Now we have to take it over to Labrador Community Center, right? So we will carry this pot to Labrador Center, and the volunteers over there will pack into lunch boxes with rice. It's rice and chicken with coconut sauce. So look at that, beautiful. The aroma is very. I wish you can try, but it's really, really good. Very thick sauce, and the meat is very succulent. So it's beautiful. Cameraman, can you smell the aroma? Yeah, that's what. Actually, we want the people, the homeless people, to enjoy a very hot meal with rice and a sumptuous chicken in coconut sauce. Let them enjoy a warm meal. You see, now the weather is cold, and they'll be coming in the evening around 5 o'clock. So when they try this rice with chicken sauce, they will love it. I'm sure they will love it. They'll enjoy it. And okay, now we are ready to go there. We'll see you at the Labrador Community Center, and you can see how it is packed. Okay, see you shortly. Right at the Labrador Community Center, and we're just going to move the stuff to the kitchen. All right? We're moving the stuff into the center. Here we go. Just finished cooking. That's what I got. Like, just finished cooking. I like to do everything fresh. Hello, Amber. How are you? Good, good, good. Okay, here we go.
Yes. Yeah.
Hi, Nico. How are you? Good to see you again. Good again. Okay.
Oh, the curry.
Yes. Well, it's not exactly curry because I didn't put too many condiments. I was concerned about the people there.
Of course.
Because I missed out on cumin powders and all those stuff.
Yeah. Right.
Just turmeric.
Nice.
Yeah, that's turmeric and salt.
Nice.
Yeah, but it tastes good.
Homemade. They can feel the love.
Oh, yes, of course. Okay, here we go. Watch it. Just Bismillah Rahman. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Oops. Okay. So all the volunteers are now preparing themselves they're all getting ready. Look at that. These are all volunteers. Show the way volunteers, and getting ready to pack them into boxes. What they are picking in lunch boxes. So they're different type of food. So they come and have a look. Now they got some pasta here. Look at that pasta. Lisa made. Is Lisa, right? Lisa, okay. Beautiful. Lisa made bolognese. So every volunteer is bringing food stuff. So next time anybody wants to bring it over and contact Amber. So we need to put the gloves, that's very important. Okay, you're ready. So you'll put the rice and I'll put the chicken, eh?
In terms of
Okay, stir a bit.
Yeah, no, it was really interesting.
Pretty hot, these things.
Because there's just thousands and thousands.
Now, Amber, I just want to make it sure, if the people, homeless people, if they don't have a permanent address, is it difficult to get some benefits from the government?
Absolutely. There's many ways of deemed homelessness. So
Right.
there is sleeping rough out
Right.
on the street,
Right.
sleeping on someone's couch,
Okay.
or sleeping in cars. But if you don't have a physical address,
Yes.
there is no payment from the local government. There's no support.
Okay.
You have to have a physical address.
Okay, that's what it is. People keep on asking me this question about homeless. So now I realize
Yes.
they need to have a physical address.
Each night there's 6,000 to 8,000 on the Gold Coast.
Oh my
Deemed
goodness.
homeless. homeless.
6 to 8,000. That's a lot. That's a lot. So anyhow, now people, Amber show the way. So every Monday they're here at the Labrador Center, Community Center. If you need to support them with food or anything, just bring it over. Fresh food or any other products as well, right? Anything, any products, yes, and distribute. And of course, they also do mobile service on to Southport, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Today's food, the chicken, were donated by Continental Halal Meats. And the rest of the items like onions and tomatoes and coconuts and other ingredients were all contributed by Karim Baba. Alhamdulillah, just finished packing into lunch boxes, right? And I'm leaving the place. You see, we cannot show the faces of the homeless people who come and queue up for the food. We cannot show their face, so that's why you never see their faces. So, but there are already quite a number of people queuing up. It's just 5 o'clock, and the queue started getting longer and longer. So, so that's what the reason is. We can't show their faces. But anyhow, if any of you would like to donate food stuff, please free to contact us, and we will contact Show the Way to distribute these foods. And if you want to cook some food and bring it over, you're always welcome. All right. If you need further information, you can contact me, or you can send an email to info@babaschannel.com. Thank you very much. See you next time.